pav bhaji flavored vermicelli noodles. So let's get started. First, we'll turn on our Instapot on the sauté mode, and then we will add 1 teaspoon methi dana and 1 teaspoon mustard seeds with 2 teaspoon of oil and 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Now add pinch of Asafetida, now add all these and saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Now we will be adding tomatoes, and now add 1 cup mixed vegetables. You can take any vegetable of your choice. Mix everything and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now we will be adding half cup paneer, which is Indian cottage cheese. And now for the time for the spices, we will be adding salt to taste, 1 tablespoon garam masala and 1 teaspoon Kashmiri laal mirch. Mix everything together, and now 1.5 tablespoon of pav bhaji masala. So here I have used MDH brand pav bhaji masala. And now add 1.5 cup of vermicelli roasted. Mixed everything for almost 1 minute, and now we will be adding 2.5 cup of water. And now turn off your saute mode and pressure cook it for 1 minute. Once it's done, let it on keep warm mode for 3 minutes and then pressure release. And open your lid and your vermicelli is ready. It's very yummy and very healthy meal for any time of the day. Enjoy, garnish with coriander, and enjoy this yummy healthy meal with your lovely family. Thank you for watching my video. And please subscribe my channel, and if you like my videos, please share my channel also. Thank you. Bye bye.